iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
All right, speculation for Khanye. As most transfer window, there's always speculation about players. So, middle of last week, Njabulo Ngcobo is from Swallows defender of the season. Is with the Chiefs, not training, but he was seen around environment the Chiefs. CEO was Swallows David Makhashwa. No, we didn't give them permission. Yoguti agahamba yokhuluma the Chiefs. And secondly, Mamelodi Sundowns young phone what if they give me an offer, because we haven't given them the permission to talk to the player. So now what we understand about that story, Ngcobo has two options: Kaizer Chiefs or Mamelodi Sundowns. When I get your job in this video, where would you go? Let's maybe start with Ngcobo, agent yake. Let's start with Kaizer Chiefs. Why would you not go to Chiefs, or why should he go to Chiefs?
Quality players, quality
defender of the season.
Yeah, I'm amawudlala emuva family beso kimi. Mina ngimfuna umuntu ongekho comfortable, umuntu can't deal with one-on-one, a person that doesn't have akusukuthi une pace but timing. I-timing yakhe cover yonke into, balance, comfortable, kick with both feet, so vocal, quiet off the field yambona, appearance like umfana yambona natural like sumuntu, but the grounding is more of instruction, like keeper when it's necessary. So it's quality. So the answer is simple. One, for
maybe look at the option your Chiefs. Would that be a perfect environment for him when you look at a centre back options with Chiefs, so Cardoso, Matoho, and everyone else who's there as a centre back? The formation about Dalayo, his style of play, would that be a good option? One,
Guno Stuart Baxter doesn't believe in starting the ball at the back. Normal starter must kick it forward. He's more playing off counter-attack player, counter-attack game, transition, yet players previously, Yenu package is best. I'm a player whereby they could but I don't think we're going to go Stuart. So, Ngcobo, you need a funny compliment. If it's going to go to Sundowns, I mean to Teruk. Organ cement compliment. If you Kaizer Chiefs, we play with Tower and Cardoso, I never compliment. And you get frustrated every time you must mark.
Yeah, and he's got a brilliant partnership. No, little big.
Yeah, I'm going similar to Sundowns. Extra one, so, you didn't take
okay, so you're looking at the options at Chiefs. You make a very good point about coaching and the formation as well.
Yeah.
Looking at Sundowns, the downside to it is that there's Musa Libosa, Nascimento, Derek, Onyang. Like in terms of the competition, that's what I'm trying to say. The downside to it is that he may have a lot of competition at Sundowns.
For me,
otherwise, the style of play, top class.
For me, I'm fan of Pirates and Sundowns. Chiefs and Sundowns. Pirates and Sundowns. Yeah, that boy Pirates. Whereby Pirates get rid of, for me, player
center backs, the Pirates.
You need a team. And then because it was good start, and I midfield Pirates I need a coaching just of compliment, build their confidence, that's all. Midfield back on Abanta, but they can delay. They've got players. So Sundowns competition high. But for Ivelium Fana with the Kule, and for him to learn more. Champions League is going to play definitely another experience. Uzobak trophies. Angeke kube working any team at Sundowns. You choose the way winning a corner into the history lately. So it's going to learn. Teruk is new, but he's playing. So ngali quality I believe was Foster. Teruk is new, but he's playing. So unelibusa effect is not going to be easy, but
Nascimento as well.
For me, Gubo Preno Nyang angavela msambe ngaphandle. Na lo mchita lo yes Preno Nyang ithinje sibe kanjani. Angambeka nje ngaphandle. Either Teruk and him. Bazo the position. Nascimento, yes, I can't put him on the bench. Build the team around him. He's a leader as a captain. Yeah.
There's also the psychology of being a starter. Number one, he was a defender of the season. Kusalos, he was playing all the time. do you think he can be able to handle only playing 15 matches with league next season? Maybe that's also something that his team will be looking at, the agent or management or his family would be looking at.
Yeah, Tina, we need to be honest. Umfana facing a situation in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, you need to grow as a footballer. Umfana, national team is going to be very near. I don't believe why I'm being a pandle game as we are good. Sure, national team is being a pandle. I'm fan of a player. Hellman was a mistake. I'm sorry. But that boy is supposed to play. Especially good at I'm playing a bonita. So, Ngcobo is facing another challenge. It's easy. Sometimes going to competition, but for me, we are up. He can play foot. Ngale quality nangadlala. Coaching, if you understand the game, umfana makafika, it's a new chapter. Uzocheck with one Sundowns didn't win anything. Win the league. They lost the Champions League. They lost the Cup, MTN 8. They lost Nedbank. It tells you with the defense at best clinical. Whilst we need 3 trophies previously. Ngale samni defend with sickness. Kulmanga center backs. And then going to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, as the last one I was about to say, because Kaizer Chiefs are advanced, it looks like he may be going there. How is he going to fit? As the last question, who's fit than
If Kaizer Chiefs, you can tell, Namin Kuling if any Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
So, Ipinde even another advantage.
Yeah.
You understand? And a big brand, make no mistake. They can pay players, make no mistake. And Umfana and I, Lentens and Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs can do it. Yeah, if our party coaching, Bazum ala wadlale na. Ngoba he's going to deal with center amapola phezulu mostly is going to defend. Bazum complementa na. Ngeke lo muntu adlala naye uzobu umfana lenta yiyo manje is going to grow now. They will never concede now that much. Bana ma full back grand, bana center back enye whereby is going to cover him. The question is when he goes the Shapam Tenga, Kadosa and Mateo, who's going to sit on the bench? Because the coach believes in hard tacklers. Vele now Stuart to believe a similar like Abu Kevin, like Abu Ernest Mendet. So, if Arguti Axum to believe Mina, the system I allow food, not like 352. So, no, we am neither Abu 442 or no longer 352, 343. We am neither like the Bantabatala in the middle.
People he can play with.
You understand? Even the Bantabala move by 3, very comfortable. And about was coffee distance. So, is about the Mangulia, yes, could Chiefs Ivar, Umfana Ivar, Milabam Chiefs. They needed him, but not.
Yeah, because you've been saying, what they need those kind of players.
But they didn't know what the coach did here. Bengagabi show who takes away. He needed somebody on Shanghai Bisham Corners. That fair, pay. Both of them, I don't think they will play. Or one maga sustain a pension, was only one.
And I hope extra.
Yeah, Cardoso or Tower Dalina. Compliment, Uzo compliment on her.
Right.
So, yeah, either situation.
There you go. We'll leave it there for now. It's speculation as always, and this is pretty much what we're going to be doing sometimes. Speculate and talk about rumors, and sometimes we get it right, sometimes we get it wrong. It's a developing story. It could change. Like Junior was saying, maybe Orlando Pirates could be in the picture. What we know now, as long as he hasn't signed, he's not a Kaizer Chiefs player. And David Makashu has said it publicly, we didn't give anyone permission. What if Sundowns Yukesh Singh calls me and says he wants this player? So he could be ending up at Sundowns as well. That's why we're talking about it from that perspective, which is the best environment for him. The defender of the season, Njabulo Ngcobo. Good luck to him wherever he ends up. iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV is on Facebook as well. World Sports Betting is our sponsor. Thank you so much for watching us.